DJI is preparing what could be one of its most ambitious drone launches yet, with the new DJI Avata 360 receiving official FCC certification. The filing lists to separate model numbers, hinting at multiple configurations or bundles. This approval signals that DJI may be accelerating its release plans, especially given ongoing discussions around potential US drone restrictions. Unlike a traditional FPV drone, the Avata 360 appears to be a hybrid design, rumored to feature a dual vision system with two operating modes, a full 360 capture mode and a standard FPV mode. Switching between these modes is speculated to involve a 90-degree gimbal rotation. In FPV mode, a forward-facing camera is used for piloting, while a hidden rear camera remains inactive, explaining why early prototypes didn't reveal the 360 capabilities. Leaked specifications for the Avata 360 make it sound incredibly impressive. Reports suggest it will feature dual 1.1-inch image sensors capable of recording 8K 360 video at up to 50 frames per second, while FPV mode could deliver 4K footage at up to 120 frames per second, enabling smooth, cinematic high-speed shots. Powering the drone is a significantly upgraded 38.67 Wh battery, up from the 31.7 Wh battery in the Avata 2. Potentially offering flights over 25 minutes or extra endurance for high-resolution recording. The drone is also expected to include DJI's Avata transmission system, enhanced obstacle sensing, and overall improved safety features. The Avata 360 is rumored to be priced around 6,899 yuan, roughly $975, positioning it as one of DJI's most significant FPV and 360 drones to date. The package is expected to include 3 intelligent flight batteries, each offering a 20% capacity increase over the Avata 2, a charging hub, air propellers, and a compact carrying case. The drone will support multiple control setups, including flight goggles, the In3 Plus, FPV controllers, and the standard RC2, making it highly versatile for different flying styles and preferences. Early leaks of the Avata 360, which surfaced in May, showed a blurry prototype undergoing outdoor testing. While unclear, enhanced images suggested a thinner, longer body compared to the Avata 2, with a lower top section almost level with the rotors, likely to prevent the drone from appearing in 360 footage. The rear appears elongated to balance the slimmer design, and the drone features a light gray finish similar to DJI's recent models. Interestingly, the first leaks did not reveal a top 360 lens, indicating that DJI was keeping its main feature under wraps during early testing. Competition may have pushed DJI to innovate quickly. On August 14th, a rival called the Anti-Gravity 360 drone was announced, claiming to be the world's first true 360 drone, with a release slated for January 2026. This triggered speculation about whether DJI would allow another company to dominate a space it is well positioned to lead. Subsequent leaks revealed a small bump on top of the Avata 360, widely believed to be the hidden 360 lens, fueling rumors that DJI may release two versions, one for immersive 360 filming and another for pure FPV flying. This represents a major shift, merging full 360 capture with switchable FPV functionality in a single device. The hybrid design is clever and consistent with DJI's expertise. It combines immersive 360 footage capabilities with traditional FPV flight, aligning perfectly with the company's dominance in both drone manufacturing and compact 360 camera systems. Early leaked images, initially mistaken for the Avata 3, were later confirmed to show the Avata 360 in FPV mode, with a gimbal that rotates to hide the bottom lens for protection. This design preserves the drone's secret 360 capabilities while offering versatile piloting options. The Avata 360's 360 mode features dual lenses pointing up and down to capture the environment fully, while FPV mode rotates the gimbal 90 to reveal a forward-facing lens for fast, agile flight. Each lens is expected to offer a 180 field of view at 4K resolution, stitched together using AI to produce 8K 360 video. This represents a huge leap in creative potential, particularly for action sports and cinematic POV shots. FPV mode could deliver 5000 video at 60 frames per second and 30 megapixel stills, while the full 360 system might support 120 megapixel panoramic photos. To handle such massive data, internal storage is reportedly increased to 128 gigabytes, with additional microSD support. Flight time is expected to be around 25 minutes. Beyond video performance, the drone is packed with safety and tracking features. The camera block is reminiscent of the Air 3 design, scaled down to fit the compact form factor, suggesting DJI has managed to pack considerable power into a small body. Earlier leaks painted a different picture, showing a horizontal dual-camera layout, but recent footage shows a vertical dual-lens stack, one lens above the other. This new layout suggests DJI may be exploring creative options inspired by the Air 3 system, such as a compact wide-angle lens or a 2x zoom based on the 70mm lens. The vertical orientation is also optimized for social media content like TikTok and Reels, reflecting the growing importance of vertical-first video. Leak testing footage showed the Pocket 3 and Pocket 4 being compared side by side, highlighting exposure, color science, stabilization, and rolling shutter performance. Even early firmware displayed a cleaner, brighter interface and possibly new color profiles, confirming that the device is still in prototype stage. While initial rumors pointed to a January 2026 release, upcoming FCC wireless restrictions on December 23 have fueled speculation that DJI could launch the Avata 360 earlier, potentially around December 18th. Pricing expectations for the drone are estimated between $699 and $799, which seems reasonable given the significant hardware advancements and hybrid functionality. Overall, the DJI Avata 360 represents a major leap forward in drone design, combining traditional FPV flight with full 360 video capture in one versatile package. Its innovative dual-lens system, high-resolution imaging, extended flight times, and advanced safety features make it a potential game-changer for both hobbyist pilots and professional content creators. With the looming competition from the anti-gravity 360 drone, DJI seems poised to redefine what's possible in immersive drone filming, offering a device that is compact, travel-friendly, and exceptionally powerful. For drone enthusiasts and creators seeking cutting-edge performance, the Avata 360 promises to deliver an unprecedented combination of agility, cinematic capability, and creative freedom.